already in the paid batch we are doing the module B, right? So here also I am having some question from module B itself. So in paid batch we are doing the chapter of that is performance management, but today I have taken some 10 to 15 questions from the module B, that is from the chapter of development of HR and human implication of the organization, right? See, this is your first question from the Zohari window. If when we are talking about the exam point of view, then definitely Zohari window is a very important topic, right? See, this is the Zohari window and it is given by the Joseph Lungcham, okay? Right? So Zohari window, right, is a very important topic when we are talking about the exam point of view, okay? And Zohari window that is given that is given by the Joseph Luke and Harrington Ingham. So in December exam there was a question from the that who has given the Zohari window model. The name is famous two psychologists, they have given the Zohari window, that is Joseph Luft and Harrington Ingham. And when we have shorted their name, the Zohari is named from their name. Okay, Luft and Ingham named their model, that is Zohari, given the combination of their first names. Okay, so that is Joseph Luft and Harrington Ingham. Okay, Joseph Luft and Harrington Ingham, right? So taken their first name, that is Zohari, right? So that is the Zohari window. In this Zohari window, see, basically Zohari window, right, that is a technique designed to help people better understand their relationship with themselves and other. That means how much open they are with themselves and even with the other person. So Zohari window is actually the method where we help people to better understand their relationship with themselves and other, right? So in Zohari window we have the four quadrant. Total four quadrant we have. That is number one is arena. That means that is the open quadrant. Open, right? This one is the blind, right? This one is the hidden, closed, that is. But this one is the dark. So this is A, B, C and D. So when we are talking about the arena, this is actually the open quadrant. That means in this quadrant, that is open quadrant, right? The information which is lying under the arena, that means that information is known to self and known to other. Okay. Then we have the blind spot. Blind spot, in this spot the information lying is which is known to other but not known to you yourself, right? So that is a blind. That means we don't know about ourselves but others know about us, right? Then the third is not known to other. That is basically the mask type of situation. Mask means you are hiding everything from the other person. So you know everything about yourself but you are hiding. Okay? You are wearing the mask actually. So the information which you are hiding from the other person. So not known to other. Okay? This is the area of not known to other. Okay? And this is the area is which is known to other. Okay? And the number one is the area here is that is known to self. Okay? And the second area is that is not known to self. Not. Okay? So that is not known to. So we have the four quadrant here, that is arena, blind, hidden and dark. So that is third area, that is hidden area, closed area, where the information is not known to other, right, and known to self. Then the last area is that is the dark area. Here actually the information which is not known to self, right, and not known to other. That means it is the information which even other don't know about yourself, right, and even you don't know about yourself. So that is a dark area, completely unknown area, dark area. We called it as a even unknown area also. Okay, this is the unknown area. So the question here is, in the Zohari window model, the information about yourself that other know in a group, but you will unaware about it. Okay? That means other know, other know, but you are not. Okay? You will be unaware about it. So that means that is the area of light. Okay? That means other know about yourself, but you yourself don't know about that. So that is a blind area. Now the second question here is red. So in the last year in June exam, there was a question from the red, right? That is role analysis technique. Now what is this analysis technique is all about? See, the role analysis technique, right? This is actually the intervention normally to design to clarify the role expectation and obligation to the team member to improve the team effectiveness, right? So that is basically the structured exercise to provide an overall picture of what role is supposed to achieve, the rationale for its existence in the organization, right? So normally this technique, that is RAD, role analysis technique, that is actually the intervention which is designed to clarify role expectation and obligation to the team member to improve the team effectiveness. So this will be work where actually all the team member, they know what is their role is. So definitely the role ambiguity, the confusion will be ended because of this technique. So role analysis is the structured exercise to provide an overall picture of what role is supposed to achieve, the rationale for its existence in the organization. So that is actually the role is basically the technique, right? It is an intervention to clarify about the role expectation and obligation. Okay, so it clarify about the role expectation and role clarification, that is. So role analysis technique actually give you the idea about the role expectation and role clarification. So the answer here is, that is role analysis technique. Now third question is, identify the true statement from the following, right? You have to identify which one is the true statement. Number one is, the child ego state mainly collect information and process it. Okay, this is your first option. The second is, the adult ego state is mainly responsible for creativity, curiosity and reaction to other. The third is, parent ego state mainly regulate the behavior and nurture it. Okay, so which one is the correct statement? See, child ego state mainly collect the information and process it, which is completely wrong. Okay, third is, the parent ego state mainly regulate behavior and nurture it. B is, adult ego state mainly responsible for creativity and reaction to other. That is completely wrong. We are talking about child ego state here. Okay, and here we are talking about the adult. But the third one, see, in the transactional analysis which is given by the Eric Byrne, okay, we have done in the paid class also. He has given the three state, that is child, adult and parent, right? So child ego state mainly tells you about your, right, creativity, curiosity and immediate reaction to the other. Adult ego state is mainly tells you about, right, to behave reasonably, right? But parent ego state, that regulate your behavior and nurture it. So here the right answer is C, that is. Which which one of the following is not a component of EI? See, EI is having the 5 components. Now, what is a EI is? EI is basically to understand your emotion and to understand other person's emotion as well. Okay, so that is your capability, that is your ability to understand your emotion and to understand other person emotion as well. So we have the 5 component here. The number 1 is self-awareness. Number 2 is self-regulation. Number 3 is empathy. Number 4 is self-motivation. Number 5 is social skills. Right? So we have total 5 components here. Self-awareness, self-regulation, empathy, self-motivation and social skills. So basically when we are talking